Hi, it's Mr. Anderson. We're going to be doing some math and some counting to see how many things are in the pictures. In the pictures here are of things that you can buy at a gift shop at an amusement park. Because remember, the book we're reading right now is called At the Amusement Park. And the more practice we have around it, the better we'll get. All right, let's count together. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. I was pausing to see if you could do it. Awesome. Which one is 6? This one or this one? Yep. Here is 6. All right. Let's do the next one together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is this one 8? No, that's 7. What about this one? Yeah, that's 8. All right, let's count the next one together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 t-shirts. Let's count the number. Let's see what numbers we have left, okay? 7, 9, and 10. We said there were 10. Here's 10. Awesome. One more to go. Let's count these. Looks like some kind of globe thing or snow globe thing you can buy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which one is 7? This one, because the other number is 9. So we're going to choose 7 here. Awesome. Way to count with me. We counted items in the gift shop, and we did a really good job. So thank you very much, and I'll see you later.